Hi, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. So let's start off by drawing everything that we want to draw to achieve that clown makeup look. Then I'm gonna go in with just a regular, smoky eye with some black eyeshadow, and we're gonna trash that out later on, so it doesn't need to be perfect. Then we're going in with some white paint of your choice, and we're gonna cover our entire face. I'm going back after that just to blend my smoky eye, and as you can see, I added some white under my brows, and that's the next step. Next step is the brows. So we're gonna do brows with a black paint, and then you can give them the correct character that you want. I made them, really serious and angry, but you can also do them like, sad or something. Like, it's totally up to you and what you want to do with your clown. After that, I went in with some more white paint, and I just, just defining the brows as well. But like I said, we're gonna make it messy later on. Then I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line with some black eyeshadow, and then we're gonna add some line under our eyes. You can add as many as you want. You can add as, you don't even have to add lines. This is really up to you and what you want to do with your clown, but I'm adding lines, and I really liked it like that. I don't know why. Like, rewatching these, I'm like, why did I do that? Why did I added this? Why did I remove that? But that's part of the process, and that's the thing, with makeup. Um, there's few mistakes that you can do, and then you have to, start over. Then I'm doing some black lip, and we're gonna create a clown smile as well later. But I'm just doing like lines and things like that and having fun. These are so cool. I need to wear that on a daily, go to the grocery store like that. No, I'm kidding. But yeah. Then after that, we're gonna go in with the body paint. So the first thing I'm doing is the pom-poms. I'm gonna paint them black, and then we're gonna start doing the neck area. My camera dies, so that's why you cannot see like the white that I added. And also I just added some eyeshadow, like black eyeshadow, as kind of like a contour slash blush on my cheeks, and went back in with the lines. I think so. Or I just messed up and had to start the cheek area over, which is probably what happened. I don't know. I recorded that August 1st. I have no clue. No clue. But anyway, after doing the white paint on what we draw on our neck area, we're gonna add some black under it to create some shadows, and then we're gonna, lift that up with some like a blending brush that is also gonna create some like the texture of, yeah, it's gonna create texture and also make it look like it's like folded. um but yeah, and also if you see me talking, I was probably either on a live, doing a TikTok live, or I was talking to my mom FaceTiming, because she's an artist too, and sometimes, you need a second opinion, and that always comes handy. Then I'm going back for some detail to make it look more rounded, and this is not my best, guys. I was, really disappointed. I really was looking forward to this look. I've been, wanting to do a black and white clown forever, but it's okay. You know what? I'm gonna create a 2.0 version in a few months, and I'm gonna be happy about it. It's all about, trying and, sharing the process and having fun, and then starting over and do better next time, right? So anyway, after that, I added some white to create more of a 3D effect again, but I'm gonna go back with some black because that's the only two shade I used today. But yeah, so filling out the space that I left it like blank, and then we're gonna go back with some black. Okay, then I'm gonna create some little folding texture again, just defining them a little bit more, but with more of a like shadowing brush instead of like a super precise defined brush. And yeah, that's pretty much, that's pretty much it. Next thing we're gonna do is add some white under it to create the little like shadows, and this is also gonna create the texture of the costume that we're, imagining that we're wearing on underneath that. But yeah, this is also, you know, pretty much self-explanatory, but you can also do like, you know, texture and lines. You will see another tutorial, I'm not gonna say which one, where this area is way better, like much better executed. And I also added like texture for the Halloween costume, which I'm really excited about. You know what I said we need to improve, and you know, try and error is what makes it work, you know, like practice is what makes it perfect. And yeah, anyway, I'm gonna add a little color with a black paint to create, like, you know, I'm wearing like a necklace, like line, or like necklace something. Then I'm adding a little bit more black underneath to make it look more 3D, and basically going back and forth with black and white and black and white, and creating more sharp texture of folding, you know, tissue, if that makes sense. And yeah, until you are happy with the result, pretty much. One of the few last steps is just blending underneath to create the shadow and the 3D effects. Then you need a snack. That's, you know, you need a snack. And after you eat the snack, you need to, you know, fix your lipstick. That's, you know, that's so me. This is so me. Okay, then I'm adding a few final touches, detail, some black eyeshadow and white paint, because I couldn't leave it alone. I'm a perfectionist. That's just who I am. It's in my blood. Can make it. And then I'm gonna add a little of eyeshadow on my nose because I really wanted to create like an ombre effect. Then we're gonna add black liner in our waterline and some white, like I said, to create more 3D effect. Already said that. Then we're gonna add some black eyeshadow on our lids because I've been sitting there for 6 hours. That was, you know, long overdue. Then we're gonna add some lashes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Give it a like and subscribe, and let's cue to the B-roll, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another 31 makeup in 31 days. Bye guys.